day people, goeiedag mensen. Good day people, goeiedag mensen. This is about the station wagons radiator replacement. Now, let's go in here first. Radiator was in one of these boxes. And there is the old radiator. Where is it? There. That's the one that came out of it. And the mountings of the new radiator was cut pieces of this pipe off and pushed it over the mountings there. I'll show you in a moment. So it's 10 millimeter, 20 kilopascal. What's it? Yeah, 20 bar, 300 psi pipe, multi-purpose they say. So see how multi-purpose it can be. And then let's go down to the car. Oh yeah, and then at the top I used that galvanized plate, 1.5 millimeter I think 1.6 or something millimeter thick plate to hold it at the top. So let's open the bonnet, the hood, the motor kap, whatever vertical ons wil noem. So ons kyk gou hier wat is hier aangevang het Vrydag beginne. Friday afternoon I started there. And there is the metal plate, and there is the rubber pipe. Okay, 4 pieces of them of the pipe. I had to cut the plastic a little bit off because it's touching the bonnet up there and at the bottom as well. It's a little high, this radiator. So I've done the same story as with the pickup. I turned bolts in from the bottom, drilled holes and turned bolts in from the bottom, and then made the pipe long so that they can sit on, so that the plastic mountings can press on the bolts, and the pipe is now the sleeve on the outside to keep it in place. And then I also used the PVC pipe on the outside of the plastic of the rubber hose. I've cut the short pieces, kort stukkies van deze 3/4 what is it, 19 or 20 millimeter PVC pipe. So short pieces about this length, about an inch each, 2 of them at the bottom to protect the rubber hose again, not to damage of heat or whatever. So these are okay. I can see that when they perish, and I can replace it up here. And then I struggled with the pipes again. Now this is a 504 pipe, goes with the bend that direction. If you turn it, then it's too high, it comes right up to here, so I had to cut it off. Now I must do the same with this as with the pickup. I think this is not going to work. This is it's too short, too little rubber. This thing is going to crack the plastic header tank there of the radiator. So I must now get another piece of pipe doing this again, and then to that direction, more flexibility. Okay, and then that's a breather pipe there for the air bleeder, and a copper pipe from a freezer or fridge, whatever, into here so that the air can bleed out. And that's a soldering fitting of pipe, copper piping, house piping, soldered onto this brass here for the radiator cap. And that was a unit. I made a video of it from Saturday, Friday. It's now today the 18th. Is it the 18th? Sunday, May 2025. But anyway, now this is now on to here. All the videos got mixed up, and so I just deleted everything. It's about almost 3 hours of videoing of the story. Yeah, it's a heck of a story, long story. Okay, so now the pipes are in place. Let's show you the paper daaronder. Good, there's a paper. So there's a VW pipe coming up here, and then it's some other car right and turn in and out of the pipe going there, and then it's stainless steel. Ooh, that one is already leaking there. Leaking coolant. Okay, I'm going to check it just to see what I can do there with that story there. Now I must take it to outside and all the way to MIG weld it again. That's not good. Right, that is now about the radiator. It's a 206 radiator. Should be better than the old big radiator, copper radiator. It came from here right to the old section. There was only a radiator. Now I must put the plastic in there. I think must cut a plastic jumper or can, whatever they call it, or bucket, and make it hot and make it straight, and pop a rivet in there to keep that closed there, that the air can go through the radiator out. Okay, so this is now bye-bye from this video. So now it's much shorter, because some people don't want to look at long videos. Oh yeah, and then yesterday, before I go, when it was nice and hot, I sprayed the car there too, yesterday morning. Today it's very cold and the weather is funny, but they say it's going to be hot this afternoon, so I don't know. She is believing, so, and let me say bye-bye. Laat ek sê tot ziens van deze video. Ja, dit is nou vir die koeler, die radiator story. Pype en goede fittings. Wat is dit? Ja, anyway. Wat is dit? Lasse, pype lasse en goeders. Tot ziens, bye-bye. Until the next video, stay safe. Tot de volgende video, blijf veilig. Ja. Min plekke waar het veilig is nou deesdae. few people that's safe nowadays.